What's up, T-shirt family? It's your boy, Mr. T-shirt, and I was in one of my Facebook groups last night, and someone asked, do you have a video of the weeding process? So I said to myself, let's make a video. But before we jump into that, don't forget to click the subscribe button below, tap that notification bell, just to stay up to date on more videos just like this. Let's go. Now, there's different types of vinyls. So based on the type of vinyl that you're using, you want to adjust your pressure on your cutter to maybe cut a little deeper, like your glitters, which is a thicker vinyl. Some of your reflectives may be a little thicker, just so you can get that little deeper cut. Make sure it cuts through and you have an easier way of peeling it away and weeding it when it's time to do so. All right, but in this video, we're going to start with something simple, basic, no specialty vinyl, just regular plain vinyl. So the first thing, you have your sheet of vinyl, which you're going to peel and weed out. I'm just going to use a simple shape that everybody's kind of familiar with. Now, the way I start, normally, if it's a tougher vinyl, what I would do first, I usually heat it up on the press. Not even a few seconds, just give it a little. And then I usually come to the corner, start at my corner. The heat tends to loosen up the adhesive a little bit on the transfer. So I usually start at my corner. And I'll just peel back. Then I'll continue to weed, again knowing the shape. I like to go from the corners instead of in the middle of the design. It's as simple as that. So I mean, in order to practice your weeding, I would take simple shapes, take like squares, circles, triangles, and cut them out on your vinyl cutter. Then just practice your weeding. Make sure that you're not pulling it off the wrong direction, not too hard, where you're not ripping the vinyl or stretching the vinyl out to lose its shape. And I mean, the weeding process is just that. It's just weeding. Now you have some logos or designs that'll be a little more difficult, such as, let's see, let's cut out this other one here. And as y'all can tell, I'm doing this for a motor, actually a mechanic shop. This is a project that I was working on. So again, start at the corner, then peel back. I like to peel at an angle and never straight up and down. I don't like to peel up and down. I like to weed it peel it at an angle. I'll turn it to this side. Okay. And again, from where your design is, not sure if you can really see where that line is up here in the corner. That's where I want to start to weed, because that's where my design is. So again, peel from the corner and slant it. Now when you have little letters like this, like these two here, just want to take your time. Take your time, again, start in the middle, weed away slowly, okay? So you're not pulling the letters off. As the letters get too small, you kind of want to stay away from the designs where the letters get a little too small for you to weed out, because even the cutter sometimes has a difficulty cutting out those tiny, tiny shapes and letters or numbers. But this design I've been doing so long that I kind of can weed this one here in my sleep. So like you have little edges that you want to get out, like this here. You can see those. And you have your letters that are out. And when you finish weeding, that's what it looks like. And make sure to check out my girl Jay over at overflowvinyl.com. That's www.overflowvinyl.com for all your sublimation and HTV needs. And the link will be down below in the description. Now, if you gained anything from this video, make sure to click that subscribe button. Also tap that notification bell to stay updated on more videos just like this. As always, I'm Mr. T-Shirt. This has been Invest in Tees. Peace.